He's a big boy. Yes, he is. He's a pretty boy. Jack is a pretty boy. Yes. Yeah. Hello, Jack. Hi, Jack. Jack just ate, right? Jack just ate. Hmm? Jack just ate. So he feels so good. He feels so good. He feels so good. You purring? Hmm? You purring, Jack? Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Okay. Where you going? Where you going, huh? Where you going? You going bye-bye? Hmm? Oh, you want to be pets over? Hmm? You want me to pet you some more? Hmm? Jack's a pretty boy. Yes, he is. Yes, he's a pretty boy. Yes. Yes, he's a pretty boy. Beautiful. Beautiful boy. Yes. What do you see, Jack? Huh? What do you see? Hmm? What are you doing down there, huh? Huh? What are you doing? Hmm? You just want somebody loving on you, don't you? Hmm?